Guys, kailangan yung matikman to.
The famous Latin chicken ay nasa Pampanga na.
Sarap!
Hola! Nano ba kabalen? Welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, another Latin recipe ang mga titikman natin dito sa may Telabastagan, San Fernando, Pampanga.
Guys, this is Señor Pollo, the home of the famous Latin chicken. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Hola!
Hola, Señor, Señora! Welcome to Señor Pollo Telabastagan!
This is the place. Ayan, ito yung dining area natin. And I must say, aesthetic-wise sa mga murals natin, I gotta give a super thumbs up. Napakaganda ng mga murals natin. You're gonna really feel it's gonna be out of this place yung mga pagkain natin dito. Dishes inspired from Mexico, Colombia, Peru, and Cuba.
Hola, Senyor!
Hola,
Sir,
Senyor.
ito yung Señor Pollo combo natin. So, we have half roasted chicken and 4 pieces fried chicken. So, we have the gravy for the fried chicken, garlic sauce, chimichurri, and atomic sauce for the roasted chicken.
This is our table. Once again, we would like to thank
Senor Pollo.
Senor Pollo for inviting us. Grabe. Another out-of-the-country experience ang mararanasan natin ngayon. Dahil nga, yung mga pagkain nila dito, it came from South American.
Yes.
So, yun yung mga inspiration nila. Peru, Colombia, Mexico, Cuba. Grabe. So, if you're that kind of person na naghanap ng ganitong pagkain, samahan niyo po kami.
Siyempre, what they serve here sa Señor Pollo yung mga best seller nila. Siyempre, di mawawala dyan yung kanilang Peruvian chicken, which is yun yung nag-start kung bakit meron tayong Señor Pollo. Siyempre, meron tayong nachos, carne asado, beef salpicao, fiesta platter, carne asada, which is yung kanilang burrito. Meron din tayong yung combo chicken nila, which is meron kayong roasted or fried na pagpipilian.
Side dishes po nung combo, na Señor Pollo combo. This is patatas bravas, Colombian beans, spicy rice, and then coleslaw.
Yung mga ganitong pagkain, you get to taste them if we're gonna go to other places, yung mga origin nila sa mga iba-ibang bansa. But good thing about it, na-adapt na natin yung kanilang mga processes, how they cook it, yung mga ingredients, na-import na rin natin sila. That's why we can taste yung mga ganitong mga authentic dishes that are foreign to us. Grabe. So no need to travel abroad just to taste it. Although I'm not a Mexican dish expert, no, pero sa mga natikman nating mga Mexican restaurant, word of caution, medyo maanghang po sila because they consist of a lot of spices na ini-include doon. But anyway, this is one of their soup. Ito yon. Cheers. Yeah, let's put it here. This is the atomic. Wow. Ooh. Grabe, sobrang out of this place. So, sobrang spice. Ang daming spice na talagang malalasahan mo, pero ang hirap distinguish or i-figure out kung ano talaga yung included dito. But nonetheless, guys, if you are looking for dishes na talagang sobrang lasa, mga malalasa na pagkain, yan, Señor Pollo. Señor Pollo.
Ako first of all, na gustuhan ko yung kanilang mga drinks kasi talagang nakaka-refresh sila. At the same time, yung kanilang carne asado. Napakasarap.
Gusto ko yung place, the vibe. Gusto ko yung place kasi napaka-welcoming niya, colorful. The vibe is very comfortable. Yan. Oh, and the drinks. And ako gusto ko yung malasa sa pagkain. So far, pumasa sa akin.
Yes,
Ano?
Wow, grabe. Actually, I also have to commend yung drinks nila. Napaka out of this place. Ang sarap ng mga drinks nila. And of course, sabi ko nga, napakalasa din ng mga dishes nila dito.
To level up yung kanilang taste sa mga spices, must try pa rin yung kanilang Peruvian chicken.
Yeah.
Sama mo yung atomic sauce.
Peruvian chicken plus atomic sauce. Wow, explosion.
There you have it, guys.
Another place for you to check out if you're looking for Mexican dining experience, guys. You gotta check out Señor Pollo.
So, Señor Pollo is located dito sa the Orchard community, dito sa may Telabastagan. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, malapit siya sa may SM City, Telabastagan. And they are open starting from 11 a.m. Monday to Sunday.
There you go, guys. Like I said, wala po kayong matitikman na Filipino taste
Yes.
dito. And if you're into those Latin dishes, come and check out Señor Pollo.
So, that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hope to see you here in Señor Pollo.
Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye, guys.